Hey guys, so I'm feeling better, and as you can see, we are at the beach. The day is beautiful, and I'm excited to go swimming. The water's really shallow. Let's go swim out to the boats. Alright. I was finally getting deeper. Might as well.
Strange little eddy, isn't it?
Oh, that's a rope. Because my nose is so stuffed up, when I go under the water, the pressure is kind of making my head explode. It's kind of relaxing anyways. Swimming one-handed, guys. There's my dad. What are we looking at?
Just blow you.
Oh look, there's a boat. Oh, my legs are getting tired.
Want to come out to this boat?
Oh,
We're going to go to the rock.
oh, this rains.
Go to the rock.
I'm trying to catch that fish on video. He's being a little camera shy. Come here, fishy. Falling into the water. Ah! I'm down. Oh no! Jabba the Hutt in the water.
Whale.
I'm a beached whale. What are you then?
I'm a beached pilot whale.
I think I officially scared off the fish.
I'm doing it with my elbows. It's a new form of locomotion.
Where are you going?
I don't know. I'll put it on.
Oh, there's a little fishy again. Nothing. No. Oh, yes. There's lots of little fish around. He's made his way back. Getting out? We can do this, guys. Check if there's sand in the butt. There's some bottom. Beach watch. Beach watch? Bay watch? Clearly not up to date with television shows. Yeah, we're probably gonna head back soon. The sun's starting to die out. The fish refuse to be on camera, although I actually have to check on the film to see if we got any on film. But we're gonna go get ready. Tonight is the rehearsal dinner, reception, something. All I know is I'm getting free food and I have to dress fancy like. So, see you on the other side. Hey guys, so I'm at the wedding reception. No, that's a lie. I'm at the wedding rehearsal oh my god. Found my dad. Hey dad. That scared the crap out of me. Oh my god. So we're at the wedding, like, pre-reception. It's not like a rehearsal dinner, but it's kind of a thing where we get free drinks and we eat. It's kind of great. If you can see, there's a lot of people. Only like 4 of them speak English, so I'm not in my comfort zone, clearly. Have you ever noticed how depressing it is when you're at a wedding event, when you're single? During the rest of the year, you could be fine with it. But once you go to a wedding, it's sad. That could be the wine talking. Yeah, and now I'm getting weird looks because I'm talking to you. So, I'm just kind of sitting here, hanging out. Tomorrow's gonna be fun. Tomorrow's actually the wedding, so I'll probably video a little bit of that. For the first half of the day, we're going to be at the beach again. I'm going to show you that. It's gonna be great. I've been drinking more. As you can tell, I feel better. That's a problem. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm super tired, but I'm not allowed to leave, so I'm just gonna sit here and be hyper perky. Yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys have a fantastic night, and yay!
Allora, noi invece queste cose diventa patolla.